everyone. So I know in the past year, our lives have changed pretty drastically. Although it has been tough, I believe that we can make it through anything. Today, I would like to talk about STEM kits. STEM kits are organized kits with components for various projects. The goal for the STEM kits program is to incorporate invention-based learning, which can help young children to spark an interest in a future in the STEM field. This year, FRC's Team 75 introduces Circuit Scribe, a new way to try new things in quarantine. What is Circuit Scribe, you ask? Let me tell you about it. It is a pen that produces sort of a electrical ink with which you can just write on paper with. You can even connect the batteries and LED lights with magnets. For instance, to make flashlights, you would just need 4 materials: a piece of paper, a battery, the LED lights, and the pen from Circuit Scribe. Circuit Scribe is a new concept that is efficient and simple. I will be showing you how to make 2 circuits today, one simple and one a bit more complex. You can find the kits I'm using and more at circuitscribe.com. There are multiple circuits you can make that have various purposes. The blue part represents the power source, which is the battery. The red parts signify the input, which are the modules you can interact with and move around. The green parts signify the output of the circuit, which means they emit light in this particular circuit. The gray and black parts signify modules that control the flow of the electric current, like the electrical ink pen. In this kit, we have 1 battery, 1 9V power switch, 2 red-blue LEDs, 1 dimmer, 1 on and off switch, 1 blinker, 1 circuit stencil, and 1 steel canvas. The best way to start is to draw some easy and simple circuits. A direct connection from the power source to the LED light. For the 2 circuits, we will need the circuit stencil, steel canvas, and the inventor's notebook. For the simple circuit, you will also need the 9V blue piece and 1 green, red, blue LED light. Next, place the steel canvas under the piece of paper you will be using. Next, take your Circuit Scribe pen with conductive ink and draw the round landing pads using your stencil. Draw 2 pairs of 2 landing pads, 1 pair here and 1 pair there. Connect the 2 pairs of dots. Snap the magnetical modules 9V and green LED light to those dots. Here's the LED light. Lastly, turn on the power switch and see your LED shine. The current is flowing through the lines you drew with your conductive ink pen and connecting the power source to the output, resulting in the light shining bright. You can turn the LED around for it to change from red to blue color. I hope you enjoyed this simple but fun experiment. Once we've figured out the simple circuits, let's get a bit more complex. The next circuit we will draw is for dimming lights. For this circuit, you will need the 9V blue piece, 1 green, red-blue LED light, and the dimmer. Once again, we place the steel canvas under the piece of paper you will be using. Next, take your Circuit Scribe pen with conductive ink and draw the round landing pads using your stencil. Draw 3 pairs of 2 landing pads this time. 1 pair here, 1 pair there, and another over there. Connect the 6 dots, like so. You can do any pattern that you want. Next, snap the magnetic modules 9V dimmer and the green LED light on those dots. Lastly, once again, you turn on the power switch and see your lights shine, but it will be dimmed down. We will use the dimmer and slide it to make the light brighter. You can play around with the slider and make your light dim and bright. Isn't that a cool experiment? Once again, you can switch the LED light around and change the color. This time it turned from red to blue, and the light is still dimming. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun with Circuit Scribe and making circuits